Good morning, good afternoon. I am Chef Julien, and today we're going to look at some of the Christmas products. So we have a very delightful Christmas item, like a turkey roll. So a turkey roll is actually the whole turkey breast, which is rolled and with a stuffing inside. You put it in a baking tray. I will have inside a little bit of, just a bit of butter, a bit of rosemary, and we can bake it directly in an oven. So here I bake it at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. So you can do that when it's chilled or even frozen. You can put it directly in your oven. As a frozen, you will need a little bit longer time. While you are cooking your turkey, sometimes what you can do is just to what we call to arrose it. So we can see we have the juice and the butter. Just add it back a little bit on top. So at this temperature, basically it doesn't dry. It's still a turkey. Turkey we don't want to over dry it. We just want to make it hot. A little bit of a turkey sauce to go with it. To give even more flavor, our cranberry sauce. So in here we have our turkey, simple, straightforward. Bon appetit.